Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the red light on the Ring camera in 2026. Now on your Ring camera, a red light is usually relating to the night vision or infrared mode. So if you see the small red dots in the dark, that's normal. It means that the camera is using infrared to record at night. But if the red light appears during the day or if it looks unusual, then you can just simply check the settings. So first of all, go to the Ring application. Then you need to simply open the video settings. Now inside it, you need to simply check the night vision and make sure that it is forced on. You can switch to automatic mode so that it only activates in the low light. If the red light still behaves incorrectly, then the issue may be relating to the lighting conditions. Now, if the camera is facing glass, wall, or any nearby objects, the infrared light can reflect back. So this may make the red light more visible or it can cause poor video. So in this case, you need to simply reposition the camera slightly in order to avoid the reflections. In some cases, a red indicator may show recording or privacy related activity depending on the model. So you need to check the app's settings in order to confirm that everything is configured correctly. Now, if the red light appears at the wrong time or if it stays on continuously, then you just have to do nothing but to just reset the camera or power cycle it. And this alone is going to clear all the temporary glitches and it will also fix this red light. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.